Hello everyone, in this video I will demonstrate the website which has done by me. Let me show you the deployed Heroku link first. This is the deployed Heroku link. Yeah, now it's loaded. Our website name is Reflect Writing. So what is it actually? It is an article publishing website where the user has the option of saving the articles public and as well as private. If the user chooses the option as public, the articles will be available to see for all the users who have the link of this website, and if the user has saved the articles privately, only he has the ability to see those articles, and each article contains an image as well, image with it, so the reading of the article becomes somewhat easy. Like you can see, this is an article published by this user on this time, and there is an image associated with it. There is also another article which is published by this user on this time. In the home page, we can see all the published articles. Okay, let me walk you through all the process of how to publish a post. Okay, first of all, we have to register. Go to register tab and let me register with a new user. Let me as Kumar. And email is kumar123@gmail.com. And one more thing I have to say here, if you don't fill anything and just press register, actually the form won't submit. Please enter all fields, password must be at least 6 characters. Okay, now the password must be at least 6 characters. And even if the passwords don't match, let's say like that. Now as you can see, passwords do not match. Okay, now I will type same passwords and register. Now you can see you are now registered and can log in. Okay, I will log in now. The registered email ID and the password. Okay, login. Yes. Now I have successfully logged in, and after logging in, you have see, as you can see, there are multiple tabs here like my posts thing and my profile thing and a logout. And if you go to my profile, the username and the email of that particular user is visible, and there is also an option of deleting the account. What actually it does is it deletes entire public posts and private posts and this account as well. I will show you this option at the end of this demonstration. First of all, I will show you how to publish an article publicly or privately. For to publish article directly, we can go to this new post link. Just click on that, and a title for the post, and new post, content, some subtitle. I think the spelling of subtitle is wrong, but not a problem. Some content. I have to choose one file to upload. I will upload this chocolate and choose save type. There is an option of public and private. First of all, I will choose public and click create post. Yes, our new post is there, right? New post, some subtitle posted by this user on this time. See, we haven't submitted any username while publishing a post, right? This username is auto generated. This user name is the username which the user registers. This username is the user, sorry, this is the name which has been given by the user while registering, and this is the time at which time the user will posted this. Okay, and if you go to my post and public post, you can see your public post. Yes, and we also have an option of editing and deleting the article. Just press on edit, and we can edit everything. Some subtitle here, just something change, some changes, and click save changes. Yeah, now see what subtitle has been changed. And if you go to new post, and let's create a post and save it as private post, private subtitle, just some basic things. Private content, choose file. And one more thing I have to show here, what if we don't choose an image and have chosen another one, like apart from image? Okay, let's do that and see what happens. Go to the I will upload this PPT thing, right? See, as you can see, properties, it's a PPT, right? PPTX. Okay, I will upload this thing here and save it as private. Click on create post and let's see what happens now. As you can see, please upload an image. Yes, so we have to upload an image to submit the post. You have to remember that. Just private post, subtitle, content, and let's upload one image now. Go to desktop. Okay, I will have one image. Yes, I will upload this bird's image as of now and save it as private. Click on create post. Now see in the home page that post is not visible. Why? Why? Because it's a private post and this post is only accessible by the logged in user. Go to my posts and if you go to private posts, that post will be visible here. Yes, as you can see, the private post is there. And if you click on edit, same, we can edit post title, just, and if you don't want, so go to public posts, and if you don't want the article, we can delete. Same happens for private posts as well. Let me delete one public posts and show you how it works. As you can see in the home page, our public post is also there. Let's delete that. Click on delete. Yes, and if you go to home, that post is not there. Yes, but in private post it is there because it's private, right? And we can delete this as well. And I will show you one more option of my profile thing here. In the my profile, there is an option of deleting account. Yes, right? If you click on this delete account, what actually happens is it deletes all our public posts and private posts and our account as well. Okay, let's delete this account. But before that, just remember this email and try to log in with this email after deleting the account. kumar123@gmail.com, right? Just press on delete account. Yeah, now we have logged out and our account has been deleted. Just try to log in with the same user now and see what happens. kumar123@gmail.com and password. Click on login. As you can see, no user found. So that indicates that the account has been deleted. And if you go to home, in private posts or in public posts, it is not there. Yes, right. And one more thing I have to say, this new post tab is only accessible when the user is logged in. If we try to log in, publish a new post now, it redirects us to the login page. Yeah, that's it. And this is just a button which redirects us to the top. Just, okay, that's it about my demo. Thank you so much.